change.
Woo! Look at there's a vulture. But look at these beautiful deer here. We have the baby and the mama getting a drink. Moved in as much as I can. They just walked up on us. Boys are being handsome.
Whoa!
What happened? You get startled?
Did you walk through it?
Is that another baby?
Holy shit.
Did you get in it a little bit? It feels good. It's okay. It's okay. Officer's like, what did you do? No, you sit. Thank you.
Are you babysitting?
Yeah, the extra.
Or is one of those mods?
Might be mods. No, that's a baby. It's a little one. Maybe she's babysitting. Well, that's nice. Mama and babies. Here she is. Beautiful lady. Prime wants crackers. Don't give crackers to the babies. I don't know where they went. Up the hill or something. Good girl.